Hailie's ready to go, especially coming off Bristol, you know.
I'm ready to go.
Thing cool about off-road, aggression equals speed, and where stock cars, that's not the case. You can get as mad as you want, you're just gonna go slower in stock cars. Out here, you get mad, you get aggressive, and you go fast. So that's why I like this style of racing, and it should be good. Because this is called opening it up. This is open. This is tight. See, you're making the corner tight. This is open. Okay? By doing this, you're making more of a straight line. Okay? See, if I go way out here, I'm gonna open up the entry and I'm gonna drive right off the bottom right here.
Why do you get 7?
I used to win back in my day. Now I'm just a washed up vodka racer.
Back in your day was 3 months ago.
That was cool.
Hailie, we love you. Yeah, Hailie, we love you.
They love me. Thanks. See that little guy right there? He is the most adorable little thing ever. Look at his shirt. He's my little homie. Look how cute he is. He's wearing a woman's...
What's his name?
Don't hit me with that. He's wearing a woman's extra small shirt.
Racers, start your engine!
Chenny for the win. He loses his body by the 4th lap.
No, lap 2.
If it's before 4th, I owe you 5.
Okay, wait. Anything before 4 laps and Chenny loses his body, I get $5. Anything after 4 laps, he gets $5. We shake on it.
Double or nothing, he flips by the end of the race. What happened to him? What happened?
So we are out here at Arizona. God, this place always... Gwen Helen. No, we're in Arizona. Whenever I come here, I always get just super chapped and like dry looking. My face starts peeling off. My hair starts crisping off, and it's just Arizona's like.
Oh yeah, tell me about the new hair.
Oh yes, I dyed my hair blonde. You know, because everyone. Here's the story. So I accidentally put I put regular gas in the diesel car. Like we got past this. Okay, I did that. Okay, everyone's like, oh my god, you should dye your hair blonde. That was such a blonde move or whatever. So I was like, petty me goes and dyes my hair blonde to prove all you guys like, hey, you want me to be blonde? Fine, I'll be blonde, okay? Honestly, now I have an excuse when I like look stupid. Oh my god, dumb blonde moment.
She starts 3rd row, same as me. I think we both start 3rd row. We both had a very blah qualifying, but hopefully Hailie kicks butt. I'm gonna go spot her, just keep her hyped up because it's kind of her last hurrah on off-road. And anything can happen. It'd be hard for her to win from 6, but it can happen. Hopefully the guys in the front just start banging. And you know, she starts by Ryan Beat. He's fast here, so hopefully she can just lock with him and go. And she's got to take no prisoners, like really not be nice and just straight. When she's got an opening, take it. And we'll see. We'll see what happens. It'd be cool to get a podium for her. So
Go make some boys cry.
Okay. 10-4, coach. Let's go.
But as the track wears in, your truck will get better. So have fun. Kick your butt. And then you can like get on the radio for my race. Cause yeah, I'm gonna need some height.
not that good. Okay, went through 6th and 1st corner, coming in 2nd corner. I guess one of the little breakers, I'm gonna assume that's what it's called, because it's kind of like a house and the lights go out. So come here. So one of these breakers, they just pop out, see like that? So I had to find which one it was. You know, I'm like over here turning on switches, and I had to pop it back in. By the time I found that, it took me a little while. They already threw a caution back around on the front stretch. So I found it, started everything up, got back going again, and my radio went out too. I don't know why it was 2 things at once. All of a sudden, I come out and the pace car goes in front of the trucks, and so I was like, do I pass the pace car? And then apparently they told me on the radio, like, hey, you can just fall to the back and you won't be a lap down. And so I never heard that. So I was like thinking, okay, I just need to get around and get like my lap back. And so I pass the pace car, go get my lap back. They go green, and I'm like in front of them by like probably 10 car lengths, 15 car lengths. And I'm just full send because I don't want them to catch me. So that wasted probably a good 3 or 4 laps of passing people I could have had. And so I officially, there's another caution, catch back up to the back of the pack. Ended up in 4th, and I started like reeling in the other guy, but by the time that, it was just like the end of the race, too late. But I made my way all the way up to 4th, so I was like pumped on that, but also like I wanted to like get in the fight, like the top 3 fight, but breaker just went out. In the end, I think it was an okay weekend. I'm not like super ecstatic, I'm not like depressed, so in the end, another race weekend that I got to come out here and have some fun in my pro life, and that's what it's all about. So be sure you guys subscribe to the Deegan38 YouTube channel. Check out the next video coming up, and all the rest after that of me doing crazy stuff, my brothers, my dad, everyone else, and hit that notification bell and like this video. Heartburn. Hey, I like your shirt.